Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Addictive Chinese cabbage salad in 5 minutes. It's a perfect recipe to use up Chinese cabbage, or you can use cabbage, of course. It tastes amazing. It's easy yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Slice the Chinese Napa cabbage. The amount of the cabbage doesn't have to be exact. Cover and microwave on medium-high for 4 minutes. Wait until you can handle it and sprinkle with salt. Then squeeze out the water from the cabbage. Season with Dashi powder. 1 can tuna in oil or in water, either is fine. Adding sugar makes it tasty. Add mayonnaise, it doesn't have to be perfectly measured. Then last but not least, add ground white sesame seeds. Mix well. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 오이시네. 나는 나이대.本当に食が進みます。ぜひ作ってみてください。僕も食べたいな。これまでカイカイいっぱいカイカイってる。おいしいです。はい。ぜひ作ってください。またね。これで OK。これで OK。はい、おしまい。